Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. I'm Ram and welcome back to Switch to Tech, your destination for tech. Today we are going to do one of the smartest things which are evolving because of this era. So this era is artificial intelligence era. So today we are going to see one of the innovations in the 20th century which is powered by that innovation. These are Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses. So Ray-Ban is one of the most iconic eyewear brands which is owned by EssilorLuxottica, which is a premium brand which owns almost all premium glasses companies like Oakley and Vogue and Ray-Ban. So this company is partnership with Meta AI to develop a smart glasses. So those glasses are Meta AI and Ray-Ban partnership glasses. So I have Ray-Ban Wayfarer glasses with me. These glasses are absolutely incredible. These glasses do all the different tasks which are not done by these conventional glasses. So what do you do with the conventional glasses? You just see, that's it. It will protect from sunlight, or even if you wear some glasses like Ray-Ban or any other glasses which are conventional, and also they just protect you from sunlight, even if you wear shades. These glasses are designed by Ray-Ban and collaborated with Meta AI to infuse AI features to make these glasses as smart glasses. So these are Ray-Ban Meta AI sunglasses. They're one of the most iconic sunglasses all around the world. They're worn by movie stars, celebrities, musicians, and politicians for over 70 years. What these Ray-Ban glasses are different from normal Ray-Ban glasses. So these glasses are powered by AI. It will have all the AI related features, like you just need to say, hey Meta, then it will do whatever you want. So these glasses are powered with two 12 megapixel cameras, wide angle ultra wide cameras which take photos and videos 1080p at 30 fps. Ain't that cool? And also two speakers in it and also receivers in it. So this can take calls, and also you can record videos up to 180p and 30 fps. Along with that, you can live stream videos directly into Facebook and Instagram because they are owned by Meta. So Meta is integrating all their Meta related apps into it, like WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, Instagram, everything into it, so that you can do all the tasks related to those apps within fingertips. You can just send reply to the message by saying, hey Meta, reply to the message just I got. It can do that. And also it can take videos directly and it can share it directly to you. Let's see how the glasses looks like and how it works, and I will share you the review. Are these really worth in 2025? Let's see in this review. So these Ray-Ban Meta glasses are cost around $325. These are a normal version without any power prescriptions, anything. So if you want a prescription glasses, you have to add almost $70 to $80 apart from these glasses, and you can take 1 year insurance. It will cost around $70. So please follow my Instagram page to get updates directly to your phones. And also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel so that I will give you more content like this with honest reviews and my opinions, and I will share you most interesting videos that you have never seen in the YouTube. So don't forget to like and subscribe, bros. And next, before we are going inside and see, they have almost 10 to 15 different variants of Meta Ray-Ban glasses so that you can choose as per your style. Details of the website of Ray-Ban and links of Amazon too in my description. Please check into it. And these glasses are polarized during daytimes, and it can convert into normal glasses during nights. So if you go into sun, it directly polarizes, and if you go into dark, and it stays like normal. So coming to these glasses physical overview. So there are megapixel cameras which captures up to 1080p 30 fps frame rate, and this comes in a black color. And this is a touch sensitive area, so you can control your glasses from here. You can listen music from these speakers. So while you are listening music, if you want to skip track or play, pause and move to next track and increase the volume and decrease the volume, you can do everything in touch sensitive areas on both sides. It has 5 mics inbuilt in these glasses so that you can take calls with these glasses, and also while you are recording video, you can record your audio along with that through these mics. So this helps to record audio and video. It comes with 32 GB flash storage, but right after you completed recording those videos, you just go into Meta app and you can transfer your videos on files into the phone so that you can clear your space. So the storage is not a problem. And the glass itself lasts around 4 hours, and if you see this case, it looks like normal leather case, but it helps to charge, it helps to store the glasses, and it helps to connect glasses with the phone itself. So it is the important part of these glasses. So it built with genuine leather, and it feels ultra premium, and it has Ray-Ban logo in it, and also inside it is like a premium brushed leather in it, and you can see Ray-Ban Meta logo here too, so it symbolizes their collaboration, and there are some details in it. And here you can see this is the connection with these glasses to charge these glasses, and if you put these back, you can see the charging level of the case itself. So green means fully charged case, and orange means half of the battery is left. If you go to red, it means it's around 15% of charging for the case. And if you put the glasses in the case and if you close the case, you can see the green light because the glasses are fully charged, they are 100% charged. So that's the meaning of this green light. And here you can see the small button here. It helps you to pair these glasses with your smartphone. So if you long press this for 5 seconds, then open this one with the glasses inside, and you will see your glasses in your smartphone through Meta AI app. You have to install Meta AI after you bought these glasses. So this is the physical overview of the glasses and along with the specs. What else these glasses do? So this glass, so I will wear these glasses and show you how it will be. So I will show you the physical overview of the glasses, and after that I will wear it and I will show you. So coming to physical overview, here the Ray-Ban brandings to the other sides, and inside the glasses you can see the Meta logos, so it symbolizes their partnership. And inside the glasses too, there are Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer brandings, and there are some energy labels and some precautions, and it was made in Vietnam. So, and it looks little bit hefty when compared to normal glasses, but the moment you wear these glasses you ain't feel it because the weight is distributed evenly, so you can't feel the weight. So these glasses are come with microfiber cloth so that it helps you to clean the glasses. So let's put this case aside, and I will show you the controls. If you want to skip the playback, you have to do double tap. If you want to go to previous track, you have to do triple tap. And if you want to raise the volume, you have to swipe upwards. If you want to lower the volume, you have to swipe downwards. And if you want to pause the track, you have to press it once. If you want to play the track again, you have to press it once. And if you want to lift the call, you have to press it once here. If you want to stop the call, you have to press it once here. So these are the controls. You can access it from this touch sensitive area here. And it has 2 stereo speakers. It helps you to enjoy stereo audio, and also you can take calls with it. It has inbuilt microphones in it. It will help to receive the voice so that it will be crystal clear calls during that. And also, so it will detect your wearing. So it has a sensor so that if you wear this, it will detect and it will pops a little bit intro music so that you can know that it is connected with you. So you just put it like this and you can hear the sound so that you will know that it's connected to you. So there is a button here, it is called capture button. If you press once, it will take, if you want to reset this glasses, so you have to press it for 5 seconds so that here there is a light here. So if you use the capture button, the light pops up. And also if you take the photos, camera here will flashes. So why it is flashing? Because to know the other person that we are taking photos of them. It is built with privacy. If you want to take a picture, you can press this capture button and it will take the picture, and it will directly saves into Meta AI app along with your internal storage in these glasses. You can also take pictures by saying, hey Meta, take a picture. It will do it. You just need to say hey Meta and it will take a picture. You can see it, right? So they are smart. And also these Meta glasses are powered by Meta AI so that it have AI capabilities like smart vision. So it can capture whatever in front of you and it will say so what you are having in front of you. So I will say that, hey Meta, what are in front of me?
There are a ring light, a laptop, a water bottle, and other items on the table in front of you.
You can hear it, right? In that tool, I think it's very coolest feature I have ever seen. So if you went outside and if you want to see, if you want to purchase a clothes, or you can search it with Meta AI saying that, can you tell me what's the price of this? Or hey Meta, can you tell me what's the cost of this bag?
I can't help with requests about product pricing or availability yet, but I'll be able to soon.
Meta is saying that they are not yet configured about their to see about pricing and to search pricing in the Amazon or any other sites about any product, but they are going to improve it very soon. So these are very cool features of the Meta AI. So if you want to stream directly from Facebook or Instagram, or if you want to shoot a audio or video directly from your glasses without any camera or without any gimbal, it will be very helpful, and it has very coolest features, and it can take calls, and you can listen music, and you can capture whatever you like. I think it's one of the coolest gadgets I have ever seen. And also regarding the water resistance, so it comes with IPX4 splash resistant. It is not fully water resistant. Be careful while you are wearing these glasses in rain. I am not recommending you guys to wear these glasses while you are traveling in your bikes or in rainy conditions or drizzling conditions. Please be careful in those conditions. So I just explained the main important features and cost and everything about these glasses. So here the photos and video sample for Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses. The photo quality is actually pretty impressive in bright conditions. Details are crisp and edges are sharp, and in color reproduction is vibrant without oversaturated. Where the glasses start to struggle in low light conditions or night conditions, the noise becomes very visible, fine details are smudged, and overall sharpness takes a hit. It is still usable for social sharing, but definitely not on par with a modern smartphone in those environments. You can see the video sample along with the video quality. Let me know what do you think about the video quality. As per my opinion, it is very good and clear, and the video quality along with the audio reception is very good. You can see the video here.
Can I have spicy chicken sandwich meal without drink?
You said no drink?
No drink. 3 chicken strips.
Anything else for you?
That's it, thank
Any
you.
sauce?
Can you add some ranch and ketchup?
Have a good day.
Thank you, have a great one. So this is the video recording from Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer AI glasses. You can see the audio quality and video quality. Yeah. Thank you, man. So you can see the audio quality and video quality, and this is the sunny day with a lot of people in this Chick-fil-A. You can see the menu over here. It is recording video in 1080p and 30 frames per second, and the video quality is okay. So audio quality is, I think it's better because 5 mics in this Wayfarers. Let me know what do you think about this audio quality and video quality of these Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses in comment section.
So let's go into pros and cons of this video, and I will hop it off. So coming into pros, the main important pro is they are Ray-Bans. So they look cool, they look stylish, even they are having large frame, but they look cooler and aesthetic, and everyone wants to see what it is. And they have excellent audio quality for open air design. So they have smooth Meta apps integration with it. As of now, these glasses just have support to Meta AI apps, but Meta is saying they are going to include more apps and more features in upcoming generations of these glasses. And Meta is also saying they are developing their own glasses without any collaboration with other companies. So let's see what will Meta do in future generations. And as you know, they already have Meta AR glasses, and they are also incredibly doing well, and they are a little bit pricier and also having a lot of limitations. And the other pro is this Meta AI. It adds fun with all the features, which is like look and see what's going on in front of you. So that's one of the craziest AI feature. So which takes photos from these glasses and which will analyze us by the Meta AI and returns back with the answers, and it looks cool. Along with that, it is comfortable fit for long wears, and it weighs around 46 grams. It's not a big deal, so that you can wear it for long times. So coming into cons, the first con is battery life. It just have 4 hours of battery life for single use. Even if you have a case, it lasts up to 8 times of charging, but you need to charge at least for an hour to fully charge these glasses. So that's very uncomfortable, because if you want to wear for long times, if you have prescription glasses, so it might be a little bit awkward, or you have to have a second pair of glasses with you to wear because of these charging periods. I'm not complaining about wearing for long periods without AI features, it's okay. So the main reason you bought these glasses are for the AI features and all the smart capabilities. So without those capabilities, I think it's not worth for the money. $150 to $200, you will get same glasses like these without AI features. I think it would be a great addition if they add a couple of more hours of battery life along with more fast charging capabilities. And the second con is the camera quality. It just records up to 1080p and 30 fps. if they add up to 4K 30 FPS, that would be very helpful. And the camera quality is okay, but not up to the smartphone level. So if you see the smartphone with the same camera, and you'll feel the difference. And also they are not coming with optical image stabilization. It stabilizes with your head, but if you are running or doing something else, it might be little bit shaky video while you are doing those stuff. If you want to take some videos or stream live while you are doing some activities, it might be little bit blurry or shaky video, and you have to keep in mind about that. And also the privacy concerns and small recording LED, but if anyone not noticing it, you can take photos, right? If someone take your photos without your permission, are you gonna like it? So that's the privacy issue. The other con is, the name suggests, it's only supported with Meta ecosystem. It's cool that you can take calls, or you can listen music, or you can do some stuff like look and see what's inside your room or anything else. But apart from that, if they add some more features in it, it would be very helpful, and it would be more bang for bucks. And one more con is it only has 32 GB of storage. So if you are taking long time videos, it might be difficult to store it for longer periods. You just need to transfer it from the glasses to your phone. So that might be a little bit difficult. If they add a little bit more storage, like 64 at least, then it would be very helpful. I think they haven't added high resolution cameras because of the storage issue, I guess, because high resolution camera requires higher storage area. So if a 4K 30 FPS video for 10 minutes, it will take almost 6 to 10 GB. So if you take 30 minutes of video, the 32 GB will blast off. So that's why they are restricted into 1080p. And one more thing is cost. So they first priced at $399. Now they are reduced it to $329. That's, I think, for $329 they are best deal. So let's go into my final verdict. So these Ray-Ban glasses are very interesting glasses, which is trying to replace your conventional polarized glasses or conventional prescripted glasses, but it doesn't replace your smartphone yet. It connects with your smartphone, it does the job which relates to Meta and Meta platforms, and also does the basic things like taking calls or listening music and do some crazy stuff. And those are some of the important features of these glasses. I like those. Apart from that, there are nothing more in these glasses. But I'm not saying these glasses are worst glasses. No, they are very beautiful and they are very innovative glasses. If they have some more features in it, it will be one of the best glasses available in the market. So if you live in Facebook or Instagram or any Meta related apps, if you want to take your photos and videos, if you are a frequent live streamer, content creator, if you want to shoot with your eyes in it, if you are fed up with your phone camera, then these glasses are for you guys. Or if you guys are more travelers, and these glasses are for you too, guys. You are a tech nerd, these glasses are for you guys. And the overall verdict of these glasses, they comes with a solid package. But if they have some more features and also long battery and some more capabilities along with storage and higher resolution camera, they will be best glasses which are available in the market. As per now, I think they are worth for money in 2025. If you want to check out and buy these glasses, I will completely recommend these. If you want more battery life or all the other features apart from Meta AI, I think these are not for you. Iconic summary meets tech. Iconic style meets tech. If you want to see your future with your eyes, and these Ray-Ban Meta glasses brings your eyes online. That's all from my side tonight. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what do you think about these glasses. Will you guys consider these glasses to buy? Let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for Switch to Tech to get more videos like these, and your support helps me a lot. I will give you best tech videos possible. And also one more thing, if you want more information about these artificial intelligence or Meta AI, or how these AI evolved or how this technology is evolved, please let me know in the comment section so that I will start a series about the technology and how it's changed the world. And as I told you earlier, I'm going to give you guys a surprise giveaway if you guys make it to 1000 subscribers. So hurry up and subscribe. I will share you more details about this surprise giveaway in the further videos. And if you make 1000 subscribers today, I will announce what is the giveaway and I will share you the link about the giveaway. And thank you so much for watching my videos, and I will continue to innovate and I will continue to search for more innovative products like these. Before that, you have to support me, guys. I hope your attention helps me to reach more heights. Keep watching Switch to Tech. Signing off. Thank you.